Horizon Health Services has clinics in Erie, Niagara, and Genesee counties with counselors trained in evidence-based practices to address bullying.
We involve the whole family in treatment, so we're really supporting them as well on how to best interact with their child and interact with the school system to really advocate for their child with the schools.
Horizon Health Services has been working with families and school districts for years to help children impacted by bullying. Melissa Walter, the Director of Child and Adolescent Services, says when children are being targeted by bullies, they might present symptoms of anxiety or they might not be able to focus or concentrate as well in school.
You might hear more complaints about things like headaches or stomach aches, especially when it's time to go to school. And a lot of times parents will think, oh, they're faking it, right? They're just trying to get out of going to school today. And sometimes that might be true, especially if they're being bullied. But sometimes that's a direct result of the anxiety they're experiencing in their bodies, and that really presents in a child's stomach and in their nervous system.
They also have 29 school satellites where they work directly with school counseling teams to make sure issues are addressed at school and children are in a safe environment.
The more we avoid, the more fearful we become, and the anxiety just continues to escalate and build. And so getting services is really, really important early on to address that before it gets out of hand.
If you reach out to Horizon Health Services, you'll be connected with a counselor at one of its 5 locations or school satellites to set up a meeting. And with a lot of bullying starting on social media, Walter says parents need to have open conversations with their kids about it.
I really encourage parents to take a non-judgmental approach when it comes to social media and really just encourage that open communication with their children, because when you do that and you have that trusting relationship, kids are more likely to talk about what's happening.
Horizon Health Services also goes into schools and does presentations on social media safety for parents. For more information about any of these topics, just go to my story on our website. On your side in the newsroom, Kelly Dudzik, Channel 2 News.